Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel RL. Triangles are classified into two types according to their angles and sides.
Triangles based on angles: acute angled triangle, right angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle. Based on sides: scalene triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle.
Let us see one by one. First, I am going to explain triangle based on their angles.
Acute angled triangle. A triangle in which each angle is less than 90 degree is called as acute angled triangle. For example, consider triangle ABC such that angle A equal to 50 degree, angle B equal to 70 degree, and angle C equal to 60 degree. Right angled triangle. A triangle in which one of the angles is 90 degree, right angle, and the other two angles are less than 90 degree is called as right angled triangle. For example, consider triangle PQR such that angle Q equal to 90 degree, angle P equal to 50 degree, and angle R equal to 40 degree. Obtuse angled triangle. A triangle in which one of the angles is greater than 90 degree, that is obtuse angle, and other two angles are less than 90 degree is called an obtuse angled triangle. For example, consider triangle XYZ such that angle Y equal to 120 degree, angle X equal to 40 degree, and angle Z equal to 20 degree.
Now, shall we learn about triangles based on their sides?
Scalene triangle. A triangle in which all the sides are different in measures is called a scalene triangle. For example, consider triangle ABC such that AB equal to 4 units, BC equal to 7 units, and AC equal to 5 units. Here, AB is not equal to BC, is not equal to AC. Therefore, this is a scalene triangle. Isosceles triangle. A triangle in which any two sides are equal in length is called an isosceles triangle. For example, consider triangle PQR such that PQ equal to PR equal to 7 units and QR equal to 4 units. Therefore, this is an isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle. A triangle in which all the sides are equal in length is called as an equilateral triangle. For example, consider triangle XYZ such that XY equal to YZ equal to XZ equal to 5 units. Therefore, this is an equilateral triangle.
Special cases. Beyond these classifications, there is a triangle in which any two sides are equal in length and one of its angle is 90 degree. For example, in triangle ABC, AB equal to BC equal to 7 units and angle B equal to 90 degree. We have some other cases also. This is for you to think. Does a scalene triangle is an acute angle triangle?
Yes.
Nice answer. Like this. Is there any possibility of a scalene triangle being an right angle triangle?
Yes.
Yeah, of course. Do you think a scalene triangle be an obtuse angle triangle?
Yeah.
Okay, you are right. Now, what about isosceles triangle? Is it an acute angle triangle?
Yes.
Fantastic. Will this be a right angle triangle?
Yeah, just now only we discussed.
Okay. Does this become an obtuse angle triangle?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what about equilateral triangle? Will it be an acute angled triangle?
Of course.
You are right. Note that an equilateral triangle cannot be a right angle triangle as well as an obtuse angled triangle. I hope you enjoyed watching classification of triangles. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe our channel REL.